Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube not working, and this could happen in a variety of ways. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. It could be that you on your YouTube and you see something like can't connect right now. Yeah, I've had that message a lot. Another one is you turn on the YouTube app, you launch it, it opens, but then nothing loads. The videos don't load, the titles don't load, even the settings gives don't load, and you're just continually loading and nothing is showing up. Or it could be that you open the app and then it's just gray. So there are a lot of different ways that these problems come up, and in this video I'll show you methods to solve all of these problems. And if one method does not work, the next one might surely work for you. So follow this video step by step, and at the end of the video you should have your problem fixed. So I'm going to log into DaveTech and I'm going to show you the first method. So first of all, I'm going to launch the application. This is a YouTube app. I clicked on it to launch, and right it opens. That's the YouTube application, and at this point in time it's loading. So I'm just being patient for it to completely load up. But you see, this in itself could be a problem where you open the application and it just stops here. This is another version of the problem where you open the application, it comes to this screen where it says try again, open network settings. That's the message I was talking about where it says can't connect right now. So all of these issues will be solved at the end of this tutorial. Stay tuned, follow step by step, and let's get into the video. Now, method one will be to turn on and off your TV. So if your TV is turned on, you want to turn it off with the remote, and then remove the socket from the wall. If it's your Google TV, maybe a Google TV box, remove it from current and let it sit for 10 seconds. This is to perform a power drain and ensure that the power is out of the device before you turn it on again. So after 10 seconds, socket back to the grid, come back to current, and then turn on your device. Turn on your Wi-Fi and go back to YouTube. Try to launch it again. So if this works, the method has solved the issue. Alternatively, if you have not had your solution yet, try the next step. So the next step is that you're going to reboot Wi-Fi. So follow me on the screen and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to navigate to settings. So that's quick settings and then all settings. And I'm going to go to network and internet, and I'm going to just turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'll look for make sure my Wi-Fi device is turned on. I'll come to it, make sure I'm on a very stable network connection. So I'm going to choose this and connect to it. So it says no internet at the moment. Now I'm entering into a Wi-Fi that will have internet connection. So you see this one is connected. So this particular network, internet or Wi-Fi hotspot has internet connection and is connected. Right now I'm going to go back to home and go back to the YouTube application. So if you do this, turn it off, turn it on, and then come back, launch YouTube, try again, this could solve the problem for you. So if this method as well does not work, we'll try the next method. So the next method is to come back to your home screen and go to settings. In this method, we're going to be changing the date and time. So we're going to ensure that the date and time are correct, and it's a very important feature that would determine the success of this method. So watch closely. You're going to be navigating over to date and time settings. You can do that in about. That's rather on system. We have about, you have date and time. Click on date and time, and now take very important note, make sure it is set to automatic date and time. Now if you need to come right here, after clicking in, you see use network provider's time. So this is going to use the time from your internet connection. This is very important. Ensure it's using the time from your internet connection. And now if that is the case, you're going to go out. Just verify that this is okay by you, the date is okay, the zone is okay, and that's going to work perfectly. So go back, get over to your Wi-Fi again, because now you just changed the date and time. So you want to ensure that you turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. This is going to enable the device to pick up that Wi-Fi connection again, reinstall it, and use that as a date and time. That will be very pivotal for YouTube to access that information and use that data and time provided by the network provider. So right here you see me on my Wi-Fi settings. I just turned it back on, and now you see it's going to connect to day 5G. There I have very good internet connection. So just giving it a moment, and right there you see it's connecting. So I put on that one. I want to connect to day 5G. I'm giving it a second. It's connecting to day 5G. This is my Wi-Fi source, and it's connected successfully. So I'm going to go back out. I'm going to head over home. I will try to launch the YouTube application once again. So that's the YouTube application. Clicking on launch. This is going to launch the application. I'm told that internet connection connected. So just being patient while it loads. If this solves the problem for you, then you're good to go. If it does not solve the problem, then we'll move to the last step. The last step is going to be to clear cache for YouTube. You do this by accessing the all settings. So I'm going to go to quick settings at the top navigation bar, and I'm looking for all settings. So navigate to all settings and then go down until you find apps. So I clicked on apps, and here you can find YouTube listed. If you don't find YouTube listed there as a recent app, just click all apps and find the application wherever it is. So there's YouTube again. So you can click on YouTube and go to clear cache. There are two things you do here if all those methods do not work. So your case is serious and we'll handle it very seriously. Clearing cache is going to relieve the application of cache data. That could solve the issue, but because you have come this far, I recommend you should clear data. This is going to log you out of YouTube, so you need to log in again. If you clear data, it will log you out. You clear every setting, you reset the permissions, reset the settings, and that will definitely solve the issue for you. So if you have not had the success with the previous method, clear data and come back to the YouTube application, and then you're going to launch the app. So just like that, I've gone through all those methods. I'm back on the YouTube application and I'm launching the application. This is the end of the video. This method should have worked for you at this point, and you should be able to access the YouTube app, browse through, stream, and watch the videos you prefer. So that's been it for this tutorial. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with videos just like this.